Oak Ridge National Laboratory is leveraging the digital thread to improve how critical components are manufactured. The digital thread is a framework for data communication that captures every piece of information surrounding the production of a component, from design and materials to processing. This enables a secure transfer of information and makes data storage, analytics, advanced sensing, and artificial intelligence part of the manufacturing cycle. By providing a digital twin that includes spatial and temporal data captured throughout the production process, manufacturers now have the ability to predict and ensure the performance of a component. How a component is manufactured is directly linked to its function. If the component doesn't perform as expected, removing and reproducing it can be time-consuming and costly. The digital thread couples the design with the manufacturing process to enable a higher-performing component, significantly reducing the possibility of error and failure. This is achieved first by selecting the component that needs to be manufactured. The component's geometry is then optimized for functionality and manufacturability. Next, artificial intelligence is used to optimize the processing conditions in order to meet the performance requirements. At this time, a simulation of the process can be used to further make decisions regarding manufacturing. This optimization occurs across all relevant length scale properties that influence performance, such as temperature, strength, and durability, and can even be controlled at the microstructural level. To begin printing, a digital file is sent to the 3D printer. Sensors embedded in the 3D printer collect data as the component is printed, and characterization is performed after the build is complete, creating an extensive electronic filing cabinet of information. Manufacturers now have a digital twin of the component based on the data collected, assuring its authenticity and ability to perform as required. Every component that is manufactured adds more data to the digital thread, improving the link between the manufacturing process and final performance. Taking the guesswork out of manufacturing streamlines the entire production process, reducing the amount of time to get a product to the market, decreasing overall costs, and ensuring safety and efficacy for every part.